Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. So as we said yesterday, the situation on any currency on the eve of any central bank meeting is not as simple as it seems on the first glance. And yesterday price action, you could see, just has confirmed that. Yesterday we have discussed the moment that the overall situation that has taken place till this yesterday's candle was relatively bearish. Since on the first glance we see that market has returned right back into some consolidation and so on, and looks like the market could proceed lower. Market yesterday stands in this area, continuation to the lower board of this consolidation. But also we have discussed some patterns that make current situation more difficult and a bit cunning. And one of these patterns, as we suggested, could be the step grabber. And today we see that we have got it. That is the step grabber pattern. As you can see, this is the same kind of pattern that was right here. That is the failure of trend shifting pattern. So you can see in the beginning of the trading session, market has shifted trend to the bearish side, but at the end of this session, market hasn't confirmed that. So those people who entered short with the continuation to the downside when trend shifted to the bearish side now are trapped inside of the wrong position. And where they hide their stops? Surely above the previous highs, maybe above the weekly pivot resistance 1. It's right here. That's why this pattern calls the step grabber, because market very often continues move to the upside after such kind of the price action, and the minimum target of this pattern is the previous highs. So you can see market has accelerated to take out these highs. So that could happen again. Market could take these highs again. And that it's really significant probability that this really could happen. Also take a look. Market has returned right back above this consolidation upper body. Now stands in coil in the upper body above the weekly pivot point. Okay. What the potential target of current price action? Well, first of all, this is this highs, of course, but if we will take the extension of that swing to the downside of this butterfly, that was the 127 butterfly, okay, you can see the 1618 extension of this swing to the downside will stand around 126.60 area, slightly higher than the weekly pivot resistance 1. Also, right here you can see it's around 127 area daily overbought. So during today's trading session, market probably hardly will break this area significantly. So we should count on potential move to the 126.50, 127 area. On the lower time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? That is our parallel channel that we have discussed yesterday. Also, we said that market holds the harmonic swings of the retracements, since they are harmonic not only in terms of the distance, in terms of the price change with this retracement, but also in the slope. As you can see, they almost have the same slope, and this measure has held yesterday. So you can see it's just slightly, this retracement was just slightly greater, but I suppose that this was just the wash and rinse of the trending line. Okay, and market has shown really fast acceleration to the upside. This is really strong upward bar that is very good in terms of bullish perspective. So that's really significant move to the upside. Also, what we see on the 4-hour time frame, trend has changed to the bullish side. That is, by the way, very significant angle of penetration. This is really significant signal on the MACD indicator. And take a look. The thing that we have seen yesterday on the hourly time frame, now we see on the 4-hour time frame. That is the hidden bullish divergence. So you can see market is forming high lows while MACD indicator former lower lows. That is the hidden bullish divergence. So what we could do during today's trading session, if you have entered long yesterday with the hope that this will be the 3-drive potential sell pattern, just to remind you, recall that we have discussed this could be the 3-drive. I have explained it in detail yesterday. The target of this pattern, usually the reversal point, the reversal point of this pattern, usually the consolidation of two different extensions of previous two drives. The 161 of the first drive stand right here, 126.65 approximately, and 127 extension of the second drive. That is also stand very close to the weekly pivot resistance 1. Also, if you will take a look at this most recent ABCD pattern, A, B, C bottom, you will see that 100% extension also will stand very close to the weekly pivot resistance 1. So that is a significant area of resistance. And that is also the target of the stop grabber pattern. So if you have entered long yesterday, you probably should protect your position before the European Central Bank meeting and move your stop to the break-even. That's I suggest you that you should think about it, since it could be really significant moment, because volatility could be great during the speech of the Mario Draghi. If you haven't entered long yet, and you would like to trade on the potential stop grabber pattern, then you should take a look in the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, your major swing will be the last one. This is the swing of the stop grabber pattern. The point of failure of this pattern is the low of the stop grabber. It's right here. It's a bit far from the current price action, but at the same time you have different in other patterns that point on potential continuation to the upside. So you could take some and buy some dip on the retracement that could happen on the market currently. Two levels to watch for. First of all, the first level was 125.94, and market already has hit it. More deeper level, and that is, I suppose, the preferable level to enter, that is 125.75.77 confidence support on the hourly time frame. And take a look, that will be also the 50% support of the thrusting bar to the upside. And if I do not mistake, that will be very close to the weekly pivot point. Just take a look. Yes, 125.60. It's weekly pivot point. So it stands right here. Keep an eye on this level. So the market will show some kind of the ABCD retracement to the downside. It's already in some sort of progress. Or you could take a look at this level and think about the genuine potential move to the upside. But the target is around 126.60, as I said, maybe a bit higher. The many things will depend on what Mario Draghi will say. So if, as we said yesterday and discussed this in details, if this will be really some speech that will be confirmed by precise and particular data and information, for example, that Draghi will say that European Central Bank starts quantitative easing program with a, say, volume of 20 billion euros or something like that, as it Fed previously did when they announced the volume of potential quantitative easing program. If some numbers will sound in the speech of the Mario Draghi, how particular much on the first stage of their program European Central Bank intends to buy out of the Spain and Italy debt, that will be the support for the euro, especially if European Central Bank will hold interest rate unchanged. Well, if European Central Bank will not announce any particular patterns and will be just the hawkish rhetoric, that will be insignificant. On that moment, market could just bounce and jump to the upside, but probably euro hardly will show some continuation further to the upside. So I think there's not many sense to discuss the potential meetings, since we will see very soon. Just keep an eye on these patterns and levels that we have just discussed, and create your trade plan and follow it. because if you want to sell, I think that's a bit early to do that. It's better to wait some hitting of at least some significant resistance areas. If you want to enter long, well, here we have discussed the levels to watch for and how you could do this. Also, we have discussed the target and patterns that could lead us to this target.